subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched its new 5G enabled smartphone under S series in China called Vivo S6. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo S6 supports a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 20:9 aspect ratio and 90.1% screen to body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Samsung's Exynos 980 chipset paired with Mali G76 MP5 GPU. And additionally, the company has also added Multi-Turbo 3.0 technology for better gaming experience. The device packs with 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of internal storage. In terms of camera, the Vivo S6 features a quad camera setup on the rear in a circular module at the top center, including LED flash. The quad rear cameras of the phone houses a 48MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture plus 2MP macro lens and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The camera features include 4K video recording, night sense, portrait, anti-shake and more. For selfies, there is 32MP camera under the notch with f2.08 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on FunTouch OS 10 on top. The device comes equipped by 4500 mAh battery that supports 18 watts fast charging, and it also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.2 by 74.7 by 8.7mm and it weighs around 181 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo S6 has been priced in China for 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant at 2698 Chinese yuan, and for 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage model is priced at 2998 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in China in Swan Lake, Danube and Jazz Black color options, and it will go on sale starting from April 3rd. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo S6 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.